So we're Clovis, California. We just finished moving a gas line over. You can see the old pipe sitting there on the ground, and just pushed it out a little too far. New cabinets are coming in, and it's not going to be in the cabinet or behind the stove. So, anyways, we pulled it out, and you can see right here we got a brand new. It's a 1/2 inch by 8 inch black iron pipe nipple, and then the existing valve, brand new 90, and then the little nipple there. Those are brand new. So the pipe's new, straight out of True Value Hardware. Got a strap on there to keep it still. It's got 3/4 line down here. Backside is the the water heater, and then you get the gas stove here. So anyways, gas is off. We're just testing it right now. What you can see, this little sniffer here, same thing, not the same thing. PG&E has the $800 tool, but it's the same thing. It just detects gas, and so you can see green. And then of course over here we're looking, and you can see green. So that's what you want. You know, any trouble, and if you get yellow or red, yellow means, hey, you might want to take a look at this at some point. Red means, you know, clear the building. You got real issues. So everything's good here. And of course, this is the port, and this is existing valve. So as long as it's shutting down, yeah, it's shutting down. It's not fine. No leaks on it as well. So it's nice because it's a right angle. So the line itself is going to point straight down and not cause any more problems with clearance with the back of the stove. So anyway, so that's in, gas back on. I light the water heater. Outside of that, this installation is done.